Come test drive this 2020 Ram 1500. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, voice-activated navigation, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, rain-sensing wipers, adjustable pedals, and one-touch window functionality. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.